Hello, my name is Emily. Welcome back to Junk Journal Inspirations. If this is your first time joining me, I want to say a huge welcome and thank you for joining us. So it is Sunday and it's time to reveal the next prompts in the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge that I started last week. I'm so excited to see what everybody's creating. If I have found your video, if I've been tagged in it or you use the hashtag, I've been checking, randomly here and there on YouTube and Instagram and checking for anybody that's used the hashtag. But I've been putting your YouTube videos, if you have a YouTube channel, into my playlist. So anyone who wants to see, all of the creations for the challenge can watch that playlist, and I will make sure and link it at the end of all of the videos in this challenge series, so you can go and check them out. All right, so I was going to film the prompt selection and my process video for it all in one today. However, it is Sunday, it is Super Bowl Sunday, and my Cincinnati Bengals are in the Super Bowl this year. Every time I say that, I just giggle a little bit because the last time they were in the Super Bowl, I was in middle school. So, and they've never won a Super Bowl. So this is the year. I know it's going to happen. My man, Evan McPherson, is going to kick a game-winning field goal in the last minute of the game. I have predicted that. I predicted that in the last game, and I'm going with it again because he is amazing. The whole team is amazing, but I have a particular love for Evan McPherson at the moment. I'm not even a fan of football that much, but I tell you what, when your team has had the seasons that the Bengals have had, and then they go to the Super Bowl, it's a bit exciting. So anyway, that's enough of that. So anyway, I just don't have time to film the process video part of this. So that will come out most likely tomorrow. Oh, well, actually, no, it won't. It will not come out tomorrow. Sorry. I have something going on tomorrow. So probably Tuesday. I'm going to aim for Tuesday. Okay, I had a couple questions. One, it does not matter when you join in. You can skip weeks. You can start at the beginning a year from now. It doesn't matter. It's just supposed to be fun. So whenever you get around to, making something and you want to share it, that's fabulous. It doesn't have to be in any specific order either. If you come into this and it's been a while, since I actually uploaded the videos and you're like, oh, I'm too late. No, you're never too late. It's just, just do it. Just have fun. Also, tagging me on YouTube makes it much, much easier for me to find your videos. The hashtag works, but tagging me is even better because I get an immediate notification and I don't have to search. So I had a couple people ask how you do that. So in YouTube, I know I've never tried it, I don't think, in the title, but I think it works there too. But if you start typing and you use the @ symbol, so you just type @ and then, start typing junk and journal, you can put the spaces in. It should pop up. You should see a little pop-up with channel names, and you should see mine pop up if you've typed that @ symbol, no space in between the @ symbol and the first J. You should see my channel pop up, and just click on that and it will put it into your description, and it'll be highlighted. It'll look highlighted. That way, when you upload that video, I will get a notification right away and I can go and put your video into my playlist and watch it because I'm really enjoying that. I'm a little behind, but I will get caught up, I promise, because I really am enjoying this. So that's how to tag me on YouTube. And if you have Instagram, you know how to tag people there most likely, but it's sort of the same thing. You just put the @ symbol in front of my Instagram name. I do have underscores in my Instagram name, and then, you know, Facebook as well. So yeah, tag me wherever you can so that I don't miss out on anything. Okay, that I think is enough of that. So let's go ahead and choose our prompts. See, I remembered. Why can't I remember that word? So I did it a little differently. I have some tin little pots, and I put the different categories in them, and I use my label maker and just, you know, labeled them so I don't get confused. So let's start with, we'll do items last because we picked 3 of those. Let's start with techniques. So I'm going to reach in and I'm going to just sort of shuffle these up a bit. And we will grab one. I'm not looking, so make sure I only have one. Okay, we are going to do some dry embossing. And what I mean by that is embossing with an embossing folder, or you could use a stylus and stencils, or however, you know, you like to do embossing. So we're going to do that. So if you don't have, you know, an embossing machine or something like that, you don't need one. There are other ways, you know, to do this. So I will try and show you some different ways when I do my process video. Hopefully I can find the stuff I need. My desk is an absolute mess right now. As you can probably see, outside of this, this area is just a nightmare because I'm making the most amazing shabby chic journal right now. And I just have stuff everywhere. So, okay, so there's our technique. I'm gonna move this out of the way for a moment. Okay, so there's our technique, and then we'll do color. All right, color is black. All right, fun. I like using black with color. I think it's a lot of fun. Okay, so let's do our theme. And we'll do autumn. Oh my. Okay, we can do this. Autumn, that'll be fine. And then we need 3 cards from our item list. Whoops. Go back in there. So I hope you guys are having fun with this. Let me know in the comments if you're not sharing, you know, and I'm not seeing. I'd like to know if you're having fun with this. Is this something that you enjoy? All right, our first one is die cuts, and the second one is something saved from the bin. Okay, and whoops, you go back in there. And our third will be a bag. Okay, so this is quite you know, straightforward, but I just want to make sure, you know, that I give you some ideas here so you know, have some inspiration. Okay, die cuts. That can be something that you have cut with a die cut machine. It can be die cuts that you've purchased, like, you know, Tim Holtz ephemera, or all of, you know, Prima, or any die cuts. Okay, anything that you want saved, something saved from the bin, anything that you have you would normally throw away, or something that maybe you started creating and didn't like how it was turning out and you were going to toss it, but you decided to save it for later. Just, you know, that's pretty open-ended, right? So anything that, you know, you've saved from going to the trash. And then a bag, that can be a lunch bag. It can be a glassine bag. It can be a store bag, something, maybe you've purchased something and it's come in a bag. Oh, there are, let's see, silverware bags. Some restaurants put silverware in like a bag of some sort. I'm looking at my bags from across the room so I can give you some ideas. Maybe like a gift bag, like, you know, you've received a gift and it came in a pretty bag and you want to use that. Fabric bags, that would be awesome. Just, yeah, a bag. Use a bag, whatever works for you. you don't have to use the bag as like your main structure. It can just be used, you can just tear pieces and use it for collage if that's what you want to do. So just, you know, the sky's the limit here, guys. So autumn, which is the one tricky one, I think, this week, the color black, we're going to do some dry embossing, which is, you know, with a stylus or with an embossing machine or however. I'll come up with some other ways before I do my process video. Die cuts, something saved from the bin, and a bag. All right, guys, I am headed off to get ready for the Super Bowl. I seriously, I still can't believe it. My son, Nick, is the sports buff in the family, and every once in a while he'll just be like, hey, guess what? The Bengals are in the Super Bowl. It just makes us, you know, we're just so happy. This city is going to go nuts if they win. So wish my puppers luck, because I'm guessing there's going to be fireworks. If they win. So, all right, guys, I'm going to let you go. If you're watching the Super Bowl, root for the Bengals. Yay. It's a little bit difficult this year because now Tyler lives in LA, but I don't care. I'm not rooting for LA. This is all Bengals. They're going to go all the way. I'm so excited. All right. I will be back in a couple days with my process video, and let me know if you have any questions. Let me know how you're enjoying this, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Take care of yourselves and stay safe and healthy, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.